Hi, this is Noah from screenprintexchange.com. It's been a while, so I took apart some older flat screen TVs, and it seems like the older they are, the better the circuit boards are. So these were surface mounted on a circuit board power supply. I thought they were really fun. I took apart another one, so we're going to do it here. This has this isn't metal, this is like easily broken. So like I said, it had this part, and if anybody knows this type of transformer, let me know. But it has seams over here, so we can try breaking it off. It just cracks off. This is like a really easy one, unless I figure out the first time. So, but we could just go like this and it'll break and make a mess. So, is it magnetic? No, but it's super fun, and this one yields surprisingly a good amount of copper on it. So yeah, I do like the older ones. I took apart this weekend that one slides out, a newer one, and there's like 3 or 4 circuit boards now, and there's nothing great about them anymore. But the older ones that are heavier, maybe like 4.5 inches thick, are the ones to look for if you are into scrapping TVs and stuff. So yeah, so once we get through all this, it will come out. So look at how thick this wire is. So, and it's all the way through. Look at that. It's beautiful. Yeah, so look for the thicker ones. The one I had this weekend was like maybe 1.5 inches, and it was LED. I don't know why we can't make those in the United States. It's so easy. Or we can make it with machines. I guess we gotta ship them from overseas now. I don't get it, but it's okay. Because we gotta be greedy. So, I mean, I could see why we did it in the past, but now they're so simple. We can do them here. I mean, we could buy the components and then assemble them here, but with robots. But that's what it is. I'm not pro tariff or anything, but I don't know if anybody wants to do that work anymore. I don't. So that's the answer. But I'll take them apart. So here you go. So this is some nice copper. I've never really seen it like this before. It's usually like harder wire or really thin wire. And this is, I would say this is almost like 14 or 16 gauge. So that's fun. Let me know what kind of copper this is. I mean, what kind of transformer it is. I took this one out earlier. I did a much better job. Look how lacy it is. So, yeah. Thank you. Bye.